A very good morning, my dear students. How are you, children? I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. This is Miss Ritu Chandrol, your English teacher for the session 2020-21. I welcome you all to this online session of teaching. Children, before starting the chapter, I am going to show you some interesting thing. First, look at this picture, children, carefully. While looking this picture, what all things come in your mind? Yes, about park. Your guessing is right, about park. Today, we are going to study about park. Before starting the chapter, I am going to ask you little question related to chapter about park. Children, look at the sketch picture carefully. While seeing this picture, what all things come in your mind? Yes, this is a picture of park. Then, my dear children, I know very well this thing. You all love to visit to a park. Yes or no, children? Yes, you all love to visit to a park. Now, I am going to ask you one thing, children. With whom do you visit to a park? With whom do you visit to a park? With your parents, that is, mummy and papa. With your grandparents. We call in Hindi Dada and Dadi. Yes or no, children? Yes. You all are visiting to a park with your parents or grandparents. Right or wrong? Yes. Children, now I am going to ask you another question that is related to your chapter about park. What all things you see in the park? The sun. As you can see, this is a picture of sun. S-U-N, sun. The sky. S-K-Y, sky. This is a picture of sky. The grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. This is a picture of grass. The trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. This is a picture of trees. A bird. This is a picture of birds. A flower. This is a picture of flowers. A bench. This is a picture of bench. A park is an open area often found with trees, benches, etc. There is a lot of nature around, such as flowers, animals, trees, and much more. It is mostly used for recreational activity such as walking, exercising, cycling, and playing, etc. A play park can even have swing, slide, and some adventurous activity. Children, now I will ask you another question. What are the playthings you see in the park? What are the playthings you see in the park? Number 1. As you can see in the picture, this is a picture of swing. SWING, swing. This is a picture of swing. When you visit to a park, this picture you see in the park. Slide. This is a picture of slide. This is a picture of slide. SLIDE, slide. Seesaw. This is a picture of seesaw. SEECSAW, saw, seesaw. This is also another picture of seesaw. Merry-go-round. This is a picture of merry-go-round. MERRY, merry, go, ROUND, round. Merry-go-round. This is a picture of toy train. TOY, toy, TRAIN, train. Children, this all things you see when you visit to a park. Today we are going to start first chapter, lesson number 1, that is from your English textbook. The name of the chapter is In the Park. INNTHE, the PARK, park. Children, first I am going to read the first paragraph and you all have to read along with me. This is a park. There are some children in the park. The children are playing. As you can see in the picture, children, this is a picture of a park. What the children are doing? They are playing in the park. So, this is a picture of a park in which the children are playing in the park. Now, I am going to show you some picture that is related to park. As you can see, some children are deciding to visit to a park. They are talking about to visit to a park. Let's go to the park. Children, now you can see this is a picture of a park. They are singing a one song. You can also sing the song with me. Let's play in the park. Let's play in the park. Park, park, park. Let's play in the park. Children, everyone loves to visit to a park. Say yes or no? Yes. And all the children loves to play in the park. So, they are also playing in the park. Park is a place where everyone loves to go in. It is a place where children mostly like to go. Park has several playthings for children to play with and enjoy. As you can see in the picture, children, the children are playing in the park and enjoying. Children, now you can see This is a picture of seesaw. This is a picture of seesaw. Sometime it's go up and sometime it's go down. Seesaw, sometime it's go up and sometime it's go down. Next, this is a picture of slide. This is a picture of slide. Go ups to the ladder and down the slide. From the ladder down the slide. Now this is a picture of swing. As you can see, children, this is a picture of swing. In this picture, you can see, children, the girl is swinging. This is a picture of merry-go-round. This is a picture of merry-go-round. Do you wanna have a joyful ride? Let's go for a ride. Or go in a circle on a merry-go-round. This is a picture of toy train. Children, we can see in this picture children, the bigger ones playing games while the small ones enjoying the slide and swing. This is all about park. Children, from this all things you can understand about park. Now we will start reading the next thing. You can see in the picture, while you all are going to a park, there is a dustbin. You all have to throw the papers in that dustbin only. Now I am going to read the second paragraph. You all have to read along with me. Anu is in the park. She is with her mother. They are walking. Children, as you can see in the picture, there is a one girl. Her name is Anu and her mother. She is with her mother in the park. They are walking. Look, Anu, says her mother. This is a pond. These are ducks. Her mother says to Anu, look, Anu. Anu, this is a pond and these are ducks. As her mother says to Anu that there is a pond and there are ducks in a pond. As you can see in the picture, children, there are pond and there are ducks in a pond. Now they are sitting by the pond. They are looking at the ducks. Now children, they both are sitting by the pond. As you can see in the picture, they both are sitting by the pond and they are looking at ducks. What they are looking, children? They are looking at the ducks. Children, now I will read the third paragraph and you all have to read along with me. Look at those monkeys, says Anu. Yes, that is the mother monkey. Children, as you can see in the picture, Anu says to her mother, Mama, look at those monkeys. Her mother replied, Anu, yes, that is the mother monkey. Those are the baby monkeys, says her mother. Children, as you can see in the picture, this is a picture of monkey and baby monkey. As children, you can see in the picture, that is the mother monkey is there and their baby monkeys. Children, now I will read fourth paragraph and you all have to read along with me. Come here, Anu, says her mother. Look at those flowers. Her mother says to Anu, come here and see. Ask her to look at those flowers. As you can see in the picture, this is a picture of flower. What is that, Mama? Anu asked. That is a butterfly, says her mother. Children, look at this picture. Then Anu replied, what is that, Mama? Her mother says that is a beautiful butterfly. As you can see in the picture, children, a beautiful butterfly is sitting on a flower. Now I will read fifth paragraph. You all have to read along with me. Anu and her mother are sitting in the park. The sun is setting in the sky. Children, Anu and her mother both are sitting in the park. As you can see in the picture, both are sitting in the park in a bench. As you can see in the picture, children, they both are enjoying the sun setting in the sky. As you can see in the picture, the sun is setting in the sky. Mama, look at those birds, says Anu. Yes, they are flying to their nest, says her mother. Then look at this picture, children. Then Anu says to her mother, Mama, look at those birds. Her mother replied, yes, Anu, they are flying to their nest. The birds are flying to their nest. As you can see in the picture, this is a picture of birds and the birds are flying to their nests. Now children, I will read 6th paragraph and you all have to read along with me. It is getting dark. Anu and her mother are going home. Children, as you can see in the picture, now it is getting dark. Anu and her mother both are returning to their home. Children, hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you, my dear children.